Alright, this is gonna be an unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. It gets released next week, but in the meantime, we'll go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you. Here are some of the features. Okay, well, let's get started. Pretty similar looking to the previous models. Nothing else in the box. What's in here? Alright, we have our data and power cable, battery, and a single curved mount. Normally there's two of these with the GoPros, but this model they only came out with one for some reason. Instruction booklet. Flip up this rubber, pinch and pull, or push. Go ahead and unscrew it. Fingers are built in, and they close in. They feel sturdy. Very nice feel to it. And get rid of this little plastic tab. That's not needed anymore. All right, and that's your quick, brief unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8.